How math can save you money, everyday tips and tricks. Math may not be everyone's favorite subject, but when it comes to saving money, it might just be your secret weapon. From budgeting to finding deals, a little arithmetic can go a long way in helping you keep more cash in your wallet. Let's explore how you can use math in practical and fun ways to make smarter financial decisions every day. 1. Budgeting made simple. Creating a budget is essentially setting limits for your spending, and math is at the heart of it. Start by calculating your monthly income and subtracting fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and transportation. What's left is your discretionary income, which can be divided into savings, groceries, and entertainment. Tools like percentage splitting, such as the 50-30-20ths rule, are straightforward mathematical concepts that help you allocate your money wisely. 2. The art of comparing prices. Ever wondered if that buy one, get one free deal is truly a steal? Math helps you see through the marketing haze. By calculating the unit price, that's the price divided by the quantity, you can easily spot the better deal. For example, is a 500-gram bag of rice for $5 cheaper than a 1-kilogram bag for $9? Divide to find the answer. $5 divided by 500 grams equals 1 cent per gram versus $9 divided by 1,000 grams equals $0.009 per gram. The larger bag wins. These small comparisons can save you big bucks over time. 3. Understanding interest rates. When dealing with loans, credit cards, or savings accounts, percentages are crucial. If you're taking out a loan with a 10% annual interest rate, it's essential to understand what that means in real terms. For example, borrowing $1,000 at 10% means paying $100 in interest per year. On the flip side, earning 10% interest on a savings account works in your favor, allowing your money to grow over time. Compound interest. Interest calculated not just on your principal but also on accumulated interest, is a powerful concept to grasp to maximize your earnings. 4. Tracking expenses like a pro. Keeping track of where your money is going can feel daunting, but math offers handy tricks to simplify it. Use percentages to categorize spending, for instance, 40% on essentials, 30% on savings, and 30% on wants. If you're overspending, simple subtraction reveals where to cut back. Digital apps make this process even easier, crunching the numbers for you and offering insights that help you stay on track. 5. Harnessing discounts and sales. We've all seen signs offering 30% off. But how much are you really saving? It's easy to find out. Multiply the original price by the discount percentage and subtract it from the original amount. For example, a $100 jacket at 30% off saves you $30. $100 times 0.30 equals $30, meaning you only pay $70. Knowing this trick lets you quickly evaluate whether sales are worth it. 6. Meal planning to save money. Ever overbuy groceries or waste food? Math helps here too. By planning meals and calculating servings, you can shop smart. For example, if a recipe serves 4 but you're cooking for 2, having the ingredients saves you money and reduces waste. Similarly, estimating how many days certain items will last can prevent unnecessary purchases. 7. Fuel efficiency and transportation costs. Driving less or opting for public transport can save money, and math can show you how much. Calculate the cost per kilometer of driving your car, including fuel and maintenance, and compare it to the cost of bus or train fares. Over time, those savings add up and help you make smarter travel choices. Conclusion. Math isn't just about solving equations or memorizing formulas, it's about making informed choices. When you understand and apply basic math principles, you gain the ability to spot savings opportunities, avoid financial pitfalls, and plan for a brighter future. So, the next time you're debating whether to splurge or save, let the numbers guide you. Who knew math could be your wallet's best friend?